wanted to hop in today and show you 2 exercises or kind of stretches that are really helpful for managing shoulder pain in pregnancy and postpartum. Your first one is called the horse stance rhomboid push-up. So I'm going to start by setting up on all fours or in my horse stance. You can tuck the toes or leave the feet flat, whatever feels comfortable for you. Generally, I'm a toe tucker. So hands are going to be right underneath the shoulders, and all of the movement here is going to be right there in the shoulder blades. So you're going to start by pushing the shoulder blades away from each other, kind of rounding the upper back, and then you're going to squeeze the shoulder blades together, opening up your chest to the floor. So it's a really small movement, but gets movement into the shoulder blades by squeezing them together and then pushing them apart. So we're kind of strengthening those little supporting muscles, stabilizing muscles in the shoulder blades. Really great for kind of introducing movement. You might find if you've got a lot of shoulder pain, specifically in the postpartum period from carrying babies, that you may find some trigger points in that exercise. So I would also suggest trying to roll them around and see what position feels better for them, because you might be up here with your shoulders stuck near the ears. So you might want to slide them down a little bit and see how that feels. Just introducing range of motion into the shoulder blades. Now, your second exercise or stretch, you can call them either one, that I love, and this is one of my favorites. I think every client that I have loves this movement. It's called the sideline windmill. So I'm going to lie down on my side with my knees bent and my heels right in line with my tailbone. So my knees are forward a little bit. They're not in line with my hips like that. My heels are actually in line with my tailbone. I'm going to start, I don't have enough room here. I'm going to start by stacking my hands, and you can put a pillow underneath your head if that feels more comfortable for you. I'm just going to kind of let my head drop. So you're going to let your fingertips trace the floor all the way around, keeping the knees together and the hips stacked. You're going to open up the chest to the ceiling. So reaching over here and then come back to center. So it's actually pretty challenging to keep these knees together and the hips stacked, because you're going to want to roll with it, but it's really just the chest that's moving. Here, let me do that one more time for you. Tracing my fingertips along the ground and then opening up my chest and thoracic spine, getting that shoulder blade back as far as possible, letting the chest muscles open up there, and then coming back to center. Now with the sideline windmill, you may find that one side is very different from the other. Totally okay, totally normal. So I want you to try those exercises for me and let me know how it feels for you. Really great for opening up the shoulder blades and dealing with shoulder pain in pregnancy and postpartum. For more on exercise in pregnancy and postpartum, make sure to follow along at madison.kleckler on Facebook and Instagram, or visit my website, www.madisonkleckler.com. Talk to you soon.